Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Arabic Madrasa channel. This is the fifth lesson from the beautiful book Qasas Nabiyyin, the stories of prophets, and the name of this lesson is Man Faala Hādhā. Man, which means who, and Faala yafalu, which means to do, and Hādhā, which means this. Man Faala Hādhā, who did this. Okay, so let's begin. ورجع الناس ودخلوا في بيت الأصنام. رجع يرجع, which means to return, and دخل يدخل, which means to enter, and بيت الأصنام, which means the house of the idols. ورجع الناس ودخلوا في بيت الأصنام. The people returned and entered the house of the idols. Okay, students. And وأراد الناس أن يسجدوا للأصنام لأنه يوم عيد. أراد يريد, which means to want. الناس people. سجد يسجد, which means to bow down. Okay, al-asnam, you already know the meaning of this word, idols, and yawm idin, festival day. Okay, وأراد الناس أن يسجدوا للأصنام لأنه يوم عيد. The people wanted to bow down to the idols لأنه يوم عيد, because it was a festival day. Okay, ولكن تعجب الناس ودهشوا. تعجب يتعجب, which means to become surprised, and dahisha yadhashu, which means to become shocked. ولكن تعجب الناس, but the people are surprised, ودهشوا, and shocked. And وتأسف الناس وغضبوا. تأسف يتأسف, which means to become sad. غضب يغضب, which means to become angry. You already know the meaning. وتأسف الناس وغضبوا. The people became sad, وغضبوا, and angry. Okay, from قالوا, and they said, من فعل هذا بآلهتنا. This is a Quranic ayah, students. Alihatun, which means God. Okay, qalu, they said, man fa'ala hadha, who did this to our gods. Okay, qalu sami'na, this is also a Quranic ayah. Qalu sami'na fatan yadhkuruhum yuqalu lahu Ibrahimu. Sami'a yasma, which means to hear. Okay, and fatan, fatan, which means a young man. Okay, qalu sami'na fatan, they said, qalu, they said, sami'na fatan, we heard a young man, yadhkuruhum, talking about them, talking about idols. Yuqalu lahu Ibrahimu, he is called Ibrahim. Qalu, they said, أنت فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم. Oh Ibrahim, did you do this to our gods? Ibrahim alayhi said, قال بل فعله كبيرهم هذا. Ibrahim alayhi said, قال, Ibrahim alayhi said, بل فعله كبيرهم. No, this big idol did it. هذا فاسألهم, so ask them about it, ask them about it. In kanu yantiqun, if they can speak. And وكان الناس يعرفون أن الأصنام حجارة. عرفا يعرف, which means to know. حجارة, which means stone. وكان الناس يعرفون, the people knew that أن الأصنام حجارة, the idols are stones. وكانوا يعرفون أن الحجارة لا تسمع ولا تنطق, and the people knew that the stones لا تسمع ولا تنطق cannot hear and cannot speak. نطق ينطق, which means to speak. Okay. وكانوا يعرفون أن الصنم الأكبر أيضا حجر. Yes, and they knew that the biggest idol, As-Sanam al-Akbar, the biggest idol, and the biggest idol was also a stone. But they are not ready to understand. وأن الصنم الأكبر لا يقدر أن يمشي ويتحرك. Masha yamsi, which means to walk, and taharraka yataharraku, which means to move. Okay. Wa anna sanam al akbar, and the biggest idol, la yaqdiru an yamshiya wa yataharrak, could not walk or could not move. Wa anna sanam al akbar la yaqdiru an yaksir al asnam, and the biggest idol could not break the other idols. فقالوا لإبراهيم أنت تعلم أن الأصنام لا تنطق. They said to the Ibrahim alayhi salam, أنت تعلم, you know, أن الأصنام لا تنطق, you know that the idols cannot speak. Allahu Akbar. قال Ibrahim alayhi salam said, Ibrahim alayhi salam said, what he said? فكيف تعبدون الأصنام وإنها لا تضر ولا تنفع. Ibrahim alayhi salam said, then how can you worship? Abada yabudu, which means to worship. Kaifa, which means how. فَكَيْفَ تَعْبُدُونَ الْأَصْنَامَ, then how can you worship the idols? وَإِنَّهَا لَا تَضُرُّ وَلَا تَنْفَعُ, when they cannot harm or cannot benefit anyone. Next. وَكَيْفَ تَسْأَلُونَ الْأَصْنَامَ وَإِنَّهَا لَا تَنْطِقُ وَلَا تَسْمَعُ. Sa'ala yasalu, which means to ask. Okay. And Samiya Yasma, which means to hear. You already know the meaning. So وَكَيْفَ تَسْأَلُونَ الْأَصْنَامَ, and how can you ask the idols? وَإِنَّهَا لَا تَنْطِقُ وَلَا تَسْمَعُ, when they cannot speak or cannot hear. أَلَا تَفْهَمُونَ شَيْئًا, do you not understand anything? فَهِمَ يَفْهَمُ, which means to understand. أَفَلَا تَعْقِلُونَ, do you not use your mind? Okay, do you not use your mind? Why do you not understand anything? Next. وَسَكَتَتِ النَّاسُ وَخَجِلُوا. Sakata yaskutu, which means to become silent, to stay silent. وَخَجِلُوا خَجِلَا يَخْجُلُوا, خَجِلَا يَخْجَلُوا, which means to feel ashamed. Okay, and this is the past tense of Arabic language. It called mazi. Okay, وَسَكَتَ النَّاسُ, the people became silent. وَخَجِلُوا, and felt ashamed. I hope you understood this lesson very well. Jazakumullah for watching the video.